Today we have a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is Police Surprise Entitled Shoplifter Who Thought She Got Away.
Officers responded to a shoplifting call at a Party City, and when she realized she was caught, panic took over.
Hey, she getting hostile.
No.
Oh, get it! Watch out!
Put your hands behind your back.
You got it, my nigga. You got
Put your hands behind your back.
You got it!
Stop.
Okay, watch out. Let me get up.
Get on your stomach.
Touch me.
Turn around.
Damn, bro.
Put your hands behind your fucking back. Stop.
You got the stuff. Just take it back.
You're under arrest, so stop.
Oh, my
Stop. You're going to get another charge. You want another charge?
Can you not
Drop your
charge
phone.
me?
Drop your phone.
Don't get my fucking phone, bitch! Just put me in the handcuffs down. You trying to kill me and shit.
Well, stop fucking moving.
The fuck?
Give me your other arm.
The fuck? You don't even gotta do all this. You got the bag.
335, warning.
No, ma'am, you didn't have to steal. Okay, that's what you didn't have to do. You ain't have to do all of that. No, you didn't have to steal.
The fuck? You don't even gotta do all this. You got the bag.
335, warning.
Okay, my auntie over there. Let me give her my phone. Damn.
Over here.
Oh, your auntie is a part of your crime,
You're
huh?
going to get another resisting charge.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, I apologize. I will fucking.
I apologize.
Oh my fucking god.
It was just going to be an easy, simple
Okay, can you
refill
just
theft.
get the stuff back? I'm not trying to go to jail. Just give the stuff back. Damn, I'm not trying to go to jail. Just give the stuff back. It's right there. That's why I threw the bag to you. Just give the stuff back.
That's all I was trying to get, and you were just going to get a ticket, and you've been on your way.
Okay,
But you
that's
started
all I
running.
need. That's all I need. I'm not trying to go to jail.
Started
Just
resisting.
Give me the ticket. I'll pay it. Just give me the ticket. I don't have nothing. I don't have nothing. I do not have nothing. I don't need to go to jail. There's nothing under there. There's nothing.
About that, take one.
Okay, I gave it to y'all. I gave it everything.
We got one across the street.
Just give it
You have an ID anywhere?
No, I don't have no ID. Just come on.
Of course you don't.
I'm not trying to go to jail. Like, come on.
Why are we stealing?
No, that's not how. Okay, just
That's
fuck
not
it.
how it works.
Just fuck
Putting
it. I
stuff
don't
in
care.
bags ain't stealing.
Just
So you
fuck
can
it.
get a resisting, too.
I'm not resisting.
You did. I
You like, come on now, my nigga. Like,
had to wrestle you by the wall over
you
there.
have to wrestle me. None you trying to chase me. I'm not gonna do all that shit.
All right, what's your last name?
Bolton. Oh my fucking god.
First name?
Shania. SHANIAA. Oh, this shit is so irritating.
What about middle name?
I don't have a middle name. Like,
All right.
I'm
What about your-
telling you,
Why
like,
are you so worked up right now?
Because, like, he
out.
came at me all
Chill
weird, and
out.
I'm the one who getting another charge. No, y'all don't do that. Fuck, I'm trying to be help. I'm giving him the bag and shit. He like, get on your. So what do I got to get on my stomach for?
Because
You trying to kill me and shit?
you're pulling away.
I'll pay any ticket. I don't care how much it is. I'll pay that shit.
$2,000.
Okay, I will tax it. Charge me. I don't care. I'll
335
pay that
on 2 with
shit.
the 2729.
You don't have a seatbelt?
Oh my God, I gotta do all this. Can I just get my ticket and go? Do y'all bring all these cards for me?
Yes.
Last name Dalton, David.
She still thinks she getting a ticket. No, ma'am, you gonna take a ride downtown.
Adam,
Like,
Lincoln,
oh
Tom,
my
Olson,
God,
Nora.
bro.
First name
It's not that
Shania.
serious. Just
Sam,
get the
Henry,
shit.
Adam, Nora, Ida.
Damn,
Adam,
my nigga,
Henry.
like, what the fuck is y'all looking at? Y'all know these are me. Damn. Damn, I need 3 officers for me.
Well, when you try to run.
Who tried to run? Why would I run and he got a whole damn gun? That don't even make sense. What? The fuck is you looking at? Damn, my nigga.
Well, if you don't like the outcome, then don't do it.
Please, I'm not in the mood.
Am I right? I'm not in the mood either.
Okay,
so that makes 2
I
of
ain't gonna
us.
lie, okay. I'm not even talking to you.
Well, it doesn't matter. You're over here making a fit because there's a huge scene going on, but you created it.
I didn't create nothing.
Really? You
Three
just
cars?
stole shit from Party City, and now we're here, right?
Okay,
So you created it.
That don't mean gotta be 3 people for me. The fuck?
Just give me like 5 minutes for the tickets and you'll be good.
Man, you gonna give her tickets and release her? Man, I would take her down there just because. Just because.
You trying to
you still ain't shut up yet.
I was first. Yeah, I started
326 on it.
How you talking shit? Your man gonna walk the
So far.
Look, he talking shit. And he, first of all,
326
all in the book. Nothing was even in the fucking person at first. He coming here talking shit because he's like, you went too much stuff guns out of the way. The fuck like you talking?
326.
Stop talking to me or I'll text you.
24-14189, 14189.
I'm just trying to make you smile. I came in there.
Automotive off of Bradley.
Because I was gonna buy all my shit. He just got ass
35 on 4, go ahead.
in a weak ass Spider-Man outfit. Like, look, you don't do that. He needs to get a fucking ticket too for bad fucking customer service. Well, like so hard is ridiculous. I wouldn't even. As soon as I see you, I do the fucking bag. Just take the bag. I'm not trying to be rude. I'm just fucking
Alright, so we have the retail theft, and then there was resist obstruct, because could have been way easier than that, you know? I was just coming to talk to you, give you a ticket, and be on your way, but this is for next time, alright? Alright, so I'll get these cuffs off, and you'll be good to go. There's information for court on here. It's not required, but I'd recommend going. There, if you want, I can put it in first. Are you able to stand up?
There you go.
No, that's our supervisor. She just has to come out. Yeah, I put it in there.
Yeah, I'm ready to go.
Yeah, I know.
I know.
So this sheet on the front tells you how to pay it, or to find it.
Do they have it up on the footage?
I don't know why he think he on that because he was getting busted his shit. How about that?
Still talking.
USB drive over there to get the video.
You're all good. You can go.
Thank you, bye.
Bye.
Pleasure doing business with you. Pleasure doing business with you. Okay, bye. It's like these people, man. You can't make this stuff up. What's up with these people? I'd have took her down there. She don't shut up, man. It's just like she keeps going on and on and on and on. Like, damn, do you ever just peace and quiet? Ever? No, nothing. Never. You'll never just zip it. Because the way that the officer's saying, well, it was just going to be your ticket. I was coming to talk to you and this and that. And that was, so all it was going to be or whatever. Well, that's exactly what you did. So you said, well, if you wouldn't have did this, it was just going to be your ticket. Well, that's what you ended up doing. Just giving her a ticket and going about her business. So there's no point in you even saying all of that. Whatever. But, yeah, this is just, whatever. It's just one of them cases. But I get officer a 4. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officer did. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member. And I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.